I'm Monish Shivumaman. I'm a business management student at XLRI with 3+ years of IT experience. I scored 99.76 overall with a 99.98 percentile in decision making section of XAT. The decision making section is unique to XAT and can prove to be a stumbling block since many candidates do not give it a lot of time during preparation. There are individual cutoffs for every section, so DM can be the make or break section for XAT. There can be various strategies, and what works for one person may not work for everyone. So, firstly, try any past paper or only the DM section if you're short on time and understand your baseline performance. You have to read the questions carefully, understand the most important thing asked in that particular question, and then evaluate each option. The questions try to test how you think from different perspectives and throw different scenarios at you. Once you are done, try to understand the logic of why your answers differed from the correct answer for every question. With less than 1 month left, my advice would be to solve a minimum of 3 to 5 past year papers. Solving one paper and then analyzing it is more important rather than taking tests purely due to time pressure. Keep solving past XAT papers until you start thinking the way the exam demands, which is the most important part of DM preparation. Previous year XAT papers are the first and most important source, and ideally, you should solve more than 5 years of XAT papers. Go to any of the famous MBA coaching preparation sites and you can practice them. Next would be mocks provided by these coaching institutes. The mocks are usually based on past papers and some of them may contain contradictory answers. You should go for mocks if you have exhausted other resources, but do not get bogged down if you do not score well in mocks. I would advise allocating a minimum of 25 minutes to this section in the first go, since that gives you the flexibility for allocation of time so you can return to this section later. In my case, I returned to this section and allocated 15 more minutes afterwards. But do not mark answers in desperation at the end just to increase attempts when you see the timer running out. So keep your confidence high and attempt the XAT exam with a fresh mind after getting a good night's sleep. All the best.